Clue, Liar's Edition. For the gameplay rules, check out this video. To set up the game, lay out the board and place all 6 character tokens in their starting rooms around the board, even if there aren't 6 players. Place all weapons in random, separate rooms. Place the liar button in the center of the board. Give each player a reference card. Separate the 12 investigation cards from the evidence deck and shuffle them and deal 1 to each player. Then place the remaining cards face down on their spot in the center of the board. Players may look at their own investigation card but should keep it hidden from others. Separate the evidence cards into 3 decks: characters, weapons, and rooms. Shuffle each deck individually and place them face down. Take the top card of each deck without anyone seeing it and put it in the envelope under the liar button. Shuffle the remaining evidence cards and deal out the deck face down to all the players. Some players may get more cards than others. Give each player a pen and paper for use in tracking who has what cards. If you are playing with just 2 players, then before you deal out the evidence cards, shuffle and place 4 random cards in 4 random rooms on the board. When playing, when you enter a room with a card, you may secretly look at it.